Hello, I'm Brenda. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making a very easy, just basic graham cracker crust. I believe that if you take the time to make it, it's just a little bit better than those bought graham cracker crust. And I want to just show you how super and easy it is. It doesn't take but a minute. I will say that I like to buy my graham crackers crumbs already in the box. You can buy them there. They'll already be come out where they're already ground up, and you won't have to uh, crush your graham crackers. But if you don't have these, you can take regular graham crackers, put them in a Ziploc bag, get your rolling pin or something, and just roll over them and crush them till you have real fine crumbs. Or you can also do it in your food processor. But me, I just like to skip that step, and I just buy the crumbs already crumbed up. So it makes it even simpler. So I have 1 1/4 cups of graham cracker crumbs in my bowl. And to that, I'm going to add 1/4 cup of sugar. And I'm just mixing with a fork, but I'm going to mix that in really good. And then to that, I'm going to add 1/3 cup of butter, melted butter. And it's probably better in this recipe to use unsalted butter. And then I'm just going to stir them until they kind of begin to get moistened, where all the crumbs are moist. And the fork helps to work that butter in and to mix it really well. It just takes a minute or so. See if I can show you that. You can see they're all mixed in and they're just kind of damp, wet. And then now I'm just going to pour the graham crackers into my pie plate. This out of the way so that you can see. Just going to put them, and this is a 9-inch pie plate. So I'm going to spread them evenly around the pie plate, but then I want to pack them in. And I'm going to use the bottom of my measuring cup to do that. So I'm just going to, and I kind of like to start around the sides so I can make sure that I get enough up on the sides so that the sides of my crust are is all about the same height and also about the same thickness. Like right there, I need to pull some more over. It's a little thin right there. So I'm just going to push that in. I'm going to say the edge of this pie crust on the edge is about 1/4 inch, centimeter size. Maybe a little smaller than a centimeter. And so we're just packing them in all the way around. And then I'm going to pack down in the center of the pie as well, trying to make it all as even as possible. Now, the recipe says you can bake it or you can just chill it. But when I'm making this kind of graham cracker pie crust, I like to bake mine. So I'm going to bake this at 375 degrees for about, I think 10 minutes. That's what it says to do. No, I'm sorry. I'm only going to bake it 6 to 8 minutes. So I'm going to start with 6, and then I'm going to check how it looks after 6 minutes. Kind of try to press this together right around the rim a little bit with my fingers. I'm just pressing them in between my fingers as I go around. All right, I think it's all ready. Again, I'm going to push that just really good right there in the corner, down in the corner. I don't want it to be too thick right around the edge. All right, I'm going to go into the oven for 6 to 8 minutes, and then we'll be back. Hello and welcome back. As you can see, it's the next day. It's Sunday, and I forgot to slow down and come back and video my graham cracker crust after it was baked, and now it's filled with an icebox pie. And I even tried to make a video of this pie, and for some reason I had no sound at all on that whole video. So I'll try to remake that one video, and I just want to thank you for coming along with me on this journey. Still have a lot to learn, obviously, and I'm just happy that you're here to go through this adventure with me. Hope you stayed to the end. Go ahead and subscribe, or hit the thumbs up if you like this video, and I hope that you will be back the next time I'm in my kitchen. Have a blessed day, and see you next time.